This is Connor Edney's 3D printed drag car. We're going for a long run. That is mental quick. That was a very half pass. This is direct drive into 3D printed parts. Absolutely crazy. .3D printed everything except for the drive shaft. The drive is dog bone, the cups and the motor. All the wheels, the rear tyres aren't. They are. The rear tyres aren't 3D printed. No. So just fronts are 3D printed. The whole rest of it is 3D printed. Rear tyres and motor. That is mental. Fast as hell. And this thing failed to work again. It had cogging issues again. We had brilliant runs the other day. I changed it onto the drag tyres and it didn't run. But this kind of runs. This one kind of runs. It is going. I'm going to make a body for it now. Yeah, so we've had mixed bag. This thing, little 1/16 scale WPL drag thing on dualies. It moves. It's just keeping it straight. It's something that Ryan's built. He's not a member of the group and it is pretty cool. Rails, motor, massive motor going into a WPL. A 4300 kV motor going into a WPL axle. That is absolutely insane. So we're going to have another test soon of these. Got to make a body for this and then we'll be ready to go.